Opening a Xero account is straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. Here's how to get started. Visit the Xero website. Access website. Go to Xero's official website. Start free trial. Click on the Start Free Trial button on the homepage. Xero typically offers a 30-day free trial. Enter personal information. Sign up form. Fill out the sign up form with your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Create password. Choose a strong password for your account. Agree to terms. Read and agree to Xero's terms of service and privacy policy. Confirm your email. Verification email. Xero will send a verification email to the address you provided. Confirm. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Set up your organization. Organization details. Enter your business name, country, and time zone. Business type. Select your business type and industry from the provided options. Financial year. Set your financial year start date. Choose a subscription plan. Trial period. During the trial period, you can explore Xero's features without selecting a plan. Subscription. After the trial, choose a subscription plan that fits your business needs. Add bank accounts and integrations. Bank accounts. Link your business bank accounts for seamless transaction imports. Integrations. Connect with other apps and services you use, like payroll, CRM, and inventory management. Invite users. Team access. Invite your accountant, bookkeeper, or team members to your Xero account by entering their email addresses and assigning roles. Explore and customize. Dashboard. Explore the dashboard and customize it according to your preferences. Set up preferences. Configure invoicing, payment gateways, and other settings to suit your business operations.